Hello everyone, my name is Ronjalan F. Naragdao. Today I'll be talking about my CMSC 22 Java project. Okay, let's first introduce my hobbies and interests. So, one of the hobbies and interests of mine is playing video games, such as first-person shooter or FPS, TPS or third-person shooters, racing games, strategy, and gacha. However, I have other hobbies and interests, but it's not necessary for my project. Okay, next. So in my project, I chose gacha. Okay, so why did I choose gacha? So I'll present to you the pros first. So one, there is fun and thrill when opening or pulling for specified random items, especially with the goal of getting an item of choice. Okay. Then next is their dedication for pulling an item is more than purchasing it. So, purchasing is easy, but gacha pulling is difficult. However, there are cons for gacha program, for all of the gacha program. Okay, so we have cons here. It is pure RNG or random number generator. It's less fun when real life money is involved. Okay, and it is also less fun when one gets a great item but not of their choice and they spend money for that pull. Okay, so it's not really fun for that situation. Okay, next. Now I'll introduce you to my program called Gacha Program, aka Gacha Smith. Okay, so what is it all about? So it's a text-based program. It's a gacha pooling for materials such as bronze, silver, gold, diamond. It has building weapons. You can build weapons from pooled materials and sell them to customers. And is similar to a medieval blacksmith simulator if there's one. And our goal, the goal of this gacha program is to make user experience free and endless gacha pools, and to make user less addicted to spend money in gacha games. Okay. Now let's move on to how my gacha program works. Okay. So we have here main function. Okay. We have after calling main function, it will go to the navigate method. Okay, and our navigate method will be acting as a hub for all of the methods listed in here or shown in here. Okay, so let's start first in the upper portion of the flowchart. Okay, we have here the pricing the methods: pricing, show, build, help, and print pools. Okay, and these these methods, according to our legend, will be the printing functions. So they print the statistics, such as the print pools, and the information, such as the help, show, build, and the pricing methods. Okay. Then next part of this flowchart will be here the build 10 pools and 1 pool methods. Okay. According to our legend, these methods will be the gacha and building functions. Okay. So our build functions will be the building function, and the gacha function will be the 10 pulls and the 1 pull methods. Okay, and these methods is redirected to the weapon type class and or material type class, depending on on which of them do you want to call. Okay, and the weapon type class and material type class uh, are designed and they're structured as a factory pattern. Okay, and then after that we will have a um, after that it will redirect to the print pulse function, so that it will print the uh, results after um, calling the gacha and building functions, and then it will redirect back to navigate. Okay, now we'll go to this part of the flowchart. We have the sell and exit methods. methods. So these methods, according to our legend, will be the selling and terminate functions. Okay, so in our sell, this sell method will be our selling function, and our exec function will be the terminate function. Okay, and then if we uh, call the sell function, it will redirect to the people by class. So this is another class which does not contain any design patterns. Okay, and then it will redirect to the by method. So this by method will act as a selling part of the uh, game, such as like market to the people. Okay, then okay, sorry. In this part it will return to navigate if goal is not yet achieved. Okay, and then if otherwise, it will congratulate the user and exit the game if goal is accomplished. Okay, and if goal is not yet achieved, it will redirect back to navigate. Okay, so as you can see, when I say redirect, we have here the one arrow, which is this one arrow. That means one way of flow. It does not go back. Okay, and we have here the two arrows. It's not very clear, but as you can see here, these are two arrows. Okay, but the one end is compressed. Sorry about that. Okay, so there you have it. This is how my Gacha program works. Okay, let's now go to the design patterns and coding practices observed. Okay, so we have here one design pattern only because the other patterns are not useful for this program. Okay, so we have factory, and it's located in weapon type and material type classes. Then we have here the coding practices observed, such as Java naming conventions, comments placed in blocks of code, simple but obvious names for classes and methods. Okay, and then minimized redundant codes. Okay, now the source code. I will now redirect you to the IDE Eclipse. So in this part of the video, I will demo my program. Okay, I will demo my program. Okay, so as you can see here, we have the title, we have the detail. I got your game shop game for random materials, weapons to sell. Then we have here the help method. Okay, then this redirecting navigation. We have navigation method. We have here current Mora. We have here type and option. Okay, so I'll demo them one by one. Okay, let's try one pull. As you can see here, action one pull, show pulls. Okay, one bronze, that's great. And navigation again. We have current Mora 0 since we haven't sell anything yet. We have here 10 pulls. Okay, as you can see here, action 2, 10 pulls, results. Okay, you can see here 10 of them. Show pulls, we have 11 pulls total. Then we have 2 gold, 5 silver, and 4 bronze. Then we go back to navigation again. Okay, and this time we show the pulls. Then in show pulls, we just have to show the pulls, the statistics of our pulls. Okay, okay. Then next, show build first, because build should have sufficient materials. Okay, then as you can see here, we have show build. Here are the weapons you've built, name stock, and as you can see, our weapons are all 0 since we haven't built anything yet. Then we have here sell. Let's do that later. We have your pricing. As you can see, pricing, the cost of weapons are the following. Okay, all these weapons have their respective prices, and then we go back to navigation again. Then we'll try help. Okay, you can see here action 6 help, blacksmith, running weapons business, goes to earn 1 million more per day. Price are set by the laws of the kingdom, and you can change it to do everything you can to earn. Okay, um, then we go back to navigation again, then show you the exit portion. So you can see here exit, and the choice, are you sure, yes or no? This time I will choose no. Okay, now go back to navigation, and this time we have to choose build, but for that we have to pull the materials first. So in this case we can just copy paste it. Okay, right, let's try extending this. Okay, so as you can see we have 181 pulls. Try to build. Okay, in this build it shows the materials needed, and it also shows the current materials we have. Okay, then we have here, do you wish to proceed? Okay, yes. Alright, then try armor for bronze. Let's try bronze armor. Sorry, armor. Sorry. Oh, sorry again. Armor for bronze. How many builds? One. You can see one bronze armor made, and then we have your show pulls. Your pulls are bronze is now 25 from 125. Okay. Then show build here. You can see our full set bronze armor is now one in stock. Okay. Then this time we'll show you the sell option. As you can see here, we have here the action number 27, here titled sell. Then a certain weapon is available for a customer. Okay, again, no one person from the shop, and we redirected the navigation. Now in this situation, all you have to do is sell again. Okay, certain weapons unavailable again, no cost, no purchases. Now we have to do it again, and again, and again. Okay, as you can see here, buyer purchased one full set bronze armor. We have 937 more. Okay, one person purchased from your shop, right, the navigation. Okay, from that, and this is an error, and it's fine. It's not of a big deal. Then try the show build. As you can see here, our full set bronze armor is now 0 in stock. So that's it for the demo part. Okay, let's try exit. You can see here, are you sure? Yes. And that's it. So now I will show you the part where the part where the user wants the game, okay, or achieves the goal. Okay, type here first 99. I'll change the statistics for us to see the ending, or the victory achieved, goal, I mean. Okay, I'm sorry. Now that we, okay, another 9. Then okay, we run again the code, right? Then sell. As you can see here, 6% purchase from your shop in this part. Okay, navigation, then there's one sell, and then wait, first we have the current Mora 261,000, then sell option 2, another 6%. Okay, right, I have to correct that, it's fine.